Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic WhatsApp integration, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So, WhatsApp integration, you have to first search the contact center. So, inside the contact center, we have a WhatsApp through which we can integrate into the Bitrix24. So WhatsApp integration, you can start receiving WhatsApp messages from your client directly to your Bitrix24 contact center without using your own WhatsApp or getting their business account. So this is an official integration. You can give the instant WhatsApp support from the Bitrix24, and you can also integrate it with CRM. So it also provides the instant WhatsApp support. Receive WhatsApp message from your client directly to your Bitrix24 contact center without using your own WhatsApp or getting their business account. So it also used for ideal for online sales. If a person who reach you on WhatsApp is willing to make a purchase, just pick the product from your catalog and generate a payment link so that they could easily pay online. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.